investigators shift focus to the people they've long suspected of being behind the hit, the Adelsons. It takes nearly 8 years, but the law finally catches up with them. Charlie is indicted on first-degree murder and other charges. He pleads not guilty and goes to trial, where prosecutors finally grill the woman at the center of this drama, his sister, Wendy.
Your big brother, Charles Adelson, you complained to him about how bad Professor Markel was and how much you hated him and didn't want to be in a marriage with him.
I definitely talked to my brother about how unhappy I was in my marriage. If that's the question, then yes.
The prosecutor presses Wendy about her brother's unusual behavior, going behind her back when she's had relationship problems in the past and dealing with it himself.
You understand that until you expose your brother and explain what he did, that he went behind everybody's back, that he hired a hitman to murder your ex-husband, you'll remain guilty in the eyes of the world.
I can't speak to the eyes of the world. I can only know that I have done nothing wrong.
When Charlie Adelson takes the stand, State Prosecutor Georgia Kappelman tries to rile him up against his sister.
And then she threw you under the bus in her interview, didn't she?
Nobody knew a murder was going to take place.
She knew her husband had just been shot, and they were asking her who would want him dead, and she said your name. Are you mad about that?
No, she said a lot of people's names.
After 7 days of testimony and just 3 hours of deliberation, the jury is ready.
The defendant is guilty of first-degree murder.
Charlie Adelson is also found guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder and solicitation to commit first-degree murder. That left his parents, Donna and Harvey. Authorities catch up with them just 1 week after Charlie's conviction in Miami International Airport. As the noose tightens on the family, the next to go down is Mom. Donna kissed her husband Harvey goodbye as Miami-Dade police slapped the cuffs on her.